This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. I have with me Rene Goehrum of BioSyent, symbol RX on the TSX Venture. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thanks very much for having me on, Shelley.
Now, that's really BioSyent.
Correct.
I like the name. Where did you come up with that name?
Well, we were rebranding ourselves a few years back, and we wanted to leverage off of our life science and bioscience background. So it's a made-up word, a combination of those two concepts.
Well, that's good. It's original. Tell me what the company does.
We're a Canadian specialty pharmaceutical business. We focus on products that treat unmet medical needs that are unique to the Canadian market, and we in-license those products for the Canadian market on an exclusive basis.
Give me an example, 1, 2.
Well, we've got a lead product, Fermax 150. It's an oral iron supplement. It's got a unique active ingredient, and it mitigates some of the issues that patients normally have when they take iron products. And so that's one that's well respected in the medical community in Canada right now. We've also got a product that's used in urology. It's used for cystoscopies. It's a unique device that we've in-licensed from an Austrian company, and it makes it more comfortable for the patient and more efficient for the healthcare professional.
What's your background?
I'm on the business side. I'm not a pharma or a science person. I'm a business person. I started my career at Procter & Gamble a couple of years ago, and since then I've been engaged in a couple of entrepreneurial ventures, and I've been involved in this company now for a decade.
Let's talk about 2014, 2015. Where do you see the company going?
Sure. Well, we're a high-growth company, so over the last several years we've been growing on a compound basis of 70% compound annual growth. We see at law of small numbers, it's hard to do that forever. So we expect, though, to have a growth rate going forward this year, next year, and the year after in the 50% compound range.
So you're a Canadian company doing business in Canada. What's the trajectory that you see in the future?
Well, we see quite a runway for the types of products that we're looking at. We identify products that are unique, that we can commercialize in Canada but are not available in Canada, and there's quite a large portfolio of such products. We look for them in the US and in Europe. That's our typical source of new product opportunities. We're now working with 3 European companies and 2 American companies, and our in-licensing deal funnel is reflective of that. We see a continuing growth rate of both adding products and revenue similar to what we've done over the last several years. And if you look back, there's a company in Canada, that Paladin Labs, PLB on the Toronto, were just purchased by Endo Pharmaceuticals, I think for $1.6 billion. And if you look back 10 or 12 years ago at their business model and what they were doing and about the age and stage, we look a lot like they did maybe 12 years ago.
So I can summarize this in a way, and I could say, I get it. Your business model is to go out and find in the ecosystem the best of breed and bring it back to Canada.
That's exactly what we do. We look for unique products that are differentiated in the market, that address an unmet medical need. We in-license those products on an exclusive basis for Canada, and then we commercialize it. And we're good at doing smaller products that other companies can't do profitably.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get a website, and then we'll wrap up.
Okay. Our website is biosyent.com, BIOSYENT.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rene Goehrum of BioSyent with the symbol RX, which is a great symbol for you, on the TSX Venture Exchange. This is the LD Micro Main Event 2013 in the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. Rene, thank you so much for coming on to SNNLive.
Excellent.